Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Time. So this is Chetan and this is the OPPO Reno 10x Zoom. This is the new flagship from OPPO, and this phone is one of the premium flagships from the company. Actually one of the best right now in the entire market thanks to what it offers, and there are some unique things about this phone that we're going to talk about in this video. But before that, we'll do a quick unboxing and show you what comes in the box package. Quite a tall package and quite a good looking one, and even the inner side of it, what all comes inside, is very well given here. So let's do a quick unboxing first and then we'll give the entire overview of the device. So this is the box package of the phone, and it's a tall package, and once you open the box package, the first thing that you see is the quick start guide as well as the warranty booklet. And once you take them away, here's the phone. That's one of the variants of the phone. There are two color options given here, and the first color option would be this one, that's ocean green. And you obviously know this is quite different because of the name itself. Now after that, what you see is the travel adapter that comes with the VOOC 3.0 flash charge support. That's a 5V4A, that's 20-watt charging that is given with this charger. And you have a USB Type-C cable, which indicates that the phone comes with a USB Type-C connectivity. And then there's a pair of premium earphones. These look quite good. These actually feel quite good, and I've already used them for about an hour with the phone itself, and the audio support has been quite good. The output has been quite brilliant so far. So this is what you get in the box package, and the last thing is this SIM ejector tool. So these are the accessories and this is the phone itself. Now let's get back to the device. So to give you an overview of the specs itself, this phone comes with a 6.6 inch of screen size, and it's a Full HD Plus display with the Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection. It's a 2340 into 1080 pixels of the screen resolution, and along with that you have a 93.1% of screen to body ratio, one of the highest again. And you can see there are minimal bezels on the front. There is almost the screen on the entire front side of the device, and the back is something that will catch your eye. It's different. The ocean green obviously is a different kind of color, and you have a triple rear camera combination on the back, and there's no front camera on the front itself. So that is one unique thing about this phone. It has a Sharkfin rising camera with a 16 megapixel camera that would pop out or rise out from the top of the phone, and it's a unique kind of combination here with a triple rear camera combination and that rising camera. That's a shark fin kind of finish. And internally the phone comes with a Snapdragon 855 from Qualcomm and Adreno 640 GPU, and this particular variant comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage. And along with that, it also has a 4065 mAh battery, the 10x Zoom variant, and it comes with a VOOC 3.0 flash charge support here. And this phone runs ColorOS 6.0 based on Android 9 Pie, the latest Android OS version, and later obviously we will be expecting the major software updates on this phone through the ColorOS updates. And again, getting back to the design of the phone, on the back is the sleek OPPO's branding and also the design by OPPO finish, which is kind of smooth. The other side of it, the sides of it, is a matte kind of finish, and it doesn't take any fingerprints or smudges, which is quite a good thing. And there is absolutely no camera bump. So it's everything flushed inside the device, and still the phone isn't that thick. And given it's a 6.6 inch screen size with a bezel-less display, the phone isn't that large. Here it's a panoramic screen with no bezels on the side. There's something that is so much important for the gamers. There's something called Game Space, where you have the game assistant that would help you keep the notifications away, get the entire network priority to the game itself, so that you have a seamless gaming experience. Now getting into the camera combination of the phone has three cameras on the back. The first one being the Sony IMX586 48 megapixel sensor with the f1.7 aperture, and obviously that is the main camera taking the main captures. And with this Sony sensor, this could be one of the best cameras again. With the initial view, I've been using the phone for a day, and I've seen that the phone could take good captures not just in the bright light but also in low light conditions. But the other two cameras here aren't something that you would use for depth sensing regularly. These are also unique with what they offer. The secondary camera here is an 8 megapixel camera that comes with a wide angle 120-degree lens, so that you get a very ultra wide shots, and those are good for landscapes. The third one is a telephoto lens with a 13 megapixel sensor, and that telephoto lens actually helps you take zoom shots. But the unique feature here with the OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, what's given in the name itself, is that unique feature. It's the 10x hybrid zoom that is possible on this phone, and that is not only because of the telephoto lens. The way the company has worked on this is that all the three cameras together would function in giving you the best of the zooming capabilities, because the telephoto lens actually would help it, but the other two cameras also give their work here, and in the end they stitch up together and make the picture perfect when you're actually zooming in. And the 48 megapixel camera as well as the telephoto camera, both of them have the support by the optical image stabilization, so that you have stable shots. Whenever you are zooming into anything, you usually see that the phones tend to shake a lot, the camera tend to shake a lot, and the picture come out blurry or shaky most of the times. But when you are zooming into 10x as well, with the OIS support, there are lesser chances of getting any shakes, and so dual OIS actually helps here. And with the video recording, the rear camera can actually take 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and again that's a good thing with the rear camera combination. That's the 48MP plus 8MP plus 13MP camera combination. There's also laser autofocus and the face detection autofocus in case you're someone who's trying to take pictures in lesser light conditions and trying to focus on some particular object. And when you have lower light conditions, when there is not a lot of light around you, you see that this phone can take good captures. That is thanks to the ultra night mode 2.0, which is capable of taking good shots by enhancing the colors, by enhancing the light around. And also anyway, the camera combination is good, but the software enhancement as well helps here in taking good low light condition shots. Now moving on to the security part of it, there are two options again. There is in-display fingerprint sensor, and that is the under display fingerprint option that is given towards the bottom of the device, and it works quite well so far. And the second one is a face unlock. So most of you you'd always be confused about how good is the face unlock when you have a rising camera or a pop-up camera in the device. Here it takes about zero point 0.8 seconds for the 11-degree lift from the flat surface on the top of the phone, and it just takes about a second for the overall process of the camera coming out and then recognizing your face and unlocking the phone for you. The Sharkfin rising camera not just has the camera on the front, it also has the LED flashlight on the back. There's a soft LED flash on the front, and it also houses the earpiece grill. So this was an overall overview of the OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, and you saw that it has a lot to offer. Not just the best of the chipsets right now in the market, but also a very good camera combination, the Sharkfin rising camera, a panoramic 6.6-inch display, and capabilities for a better gaming experience. And that is what the OPPO Reno 10x Zoom has to offer. So this was all about it. I hope you like this video. You can check out the description below for the price once the phone is launched in India, and also the availability details in case you're interested to buy one. And if you have any other questions about this device, do let me know in the comment section below, and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.